I'm about to start. I just need to get a few things ready for the show. First things first.
Please come
if you
to
want
see
to see
our
a magic show, say yeah. Solid star. There's like 6 of you. What about you, internet? Okay. If you don't want to see a magic show, say yeah. There it is.
Chasing a dream even when the world is only about. We could be heroes, not in this lifetime. We could be
underground with me. All right.
Magic show today, 3:45.
Okay, but it will not enough.
minutes. T-minus 2 minutes.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, got yourselves comfortable, folks. Show's about to kick off here. Let's get a little bit of music going, am I at that time? Is Miss Shannon Bridget fully off pitch? I think she is. Okay. Just gonna get a little bit of music going, set a bit of a vibe before we launch into the show, everybody. Hello there, sir. You look vaguely interested in perhaps something like Alright, here we go.
Horses, comedy about the end of the world.
Show starting now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. A nice juggling, fire reading.
My director's lost weight. It's like, I'm not with this. I'm not even an actor. Now, this is your card, isn't it? Okay. Now watch closely. If you take the card, I give it a tap on the knee like this, audience. I'm actually from Cornwall. I'm 10% I promise you that. This is what you don't miss out on. I want you to do it. Stand like you are.